Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on the Target application. So let's get started right away. Now, if you open up the Target application and check from within, then you might not find an option to turn off notifications from the application. So if you don't wish to receive any notification from the Target app, long press on the application and then tap on the info button. This will then take you into the application info page for Target. Now underneath privacy, tap on notifications. And now if the allow notification toggle is turned on, then all of the notifications will be allowed within your device from Target. So make sure to turn this off. And now you will not receive any more notifications. If you wish to turn back on notifications at any point in time, you can go back to the same menu and simply turn on the toggle. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on the Target application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.